So here we have been given a differential equation x into x minus 1 divided by dx minus y is equals to x square into x minus 1 raised to the power 2. But it is not in a standard linear differential equation. Let us make it a standard linear differential equation. So divide both the side by x into x minus 1. Okay, divide by x into x minus 1 on both the sides. So it will become dy by dx minus y upon x into x minus 1 is equals to x into x minus 1, because x and x minus 1 will get cancelled. Okay, so we will be left out with x into x minus 1. You can see here this is the standard linear differential equation. From here the value of p will be p is equals to minus 1 upon x into x minus 1. Okay, you can see the coefficient of y is minus 1 upon x into x minus 1. So that is the value of p. Now by partial fraction I can write it as 1 by x minus 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, why I am doing like this? Because it will be easier to integrate. Okay, that is why I am doing the partial fraction. Okay, and the value of q is x into x minus 1. So q is equals to x into x minus 1. Now the integrating factor is given by e raised to the power integral of p dx. Now put the value of p, it will be e raised to the power integral of 1 by x minus 1 upon x minus 1 into dx. Now we know that integral of 1 by x is log x. So it will be e raised to the power log x minus, and the integral of 1 upon x minus 1 will be, it will be log x minus 1. Okay. So by log property, you can see here these two are getting subtracted. Okay. So the internal term will get divided. Okay. By log property. So it will become e raised to the power ln x upon x minus 1. Okay. X divided by x minus 1. Now we know that e raised to the power log x is equals to x. So by that property, integrating factor is x upon x minus 1. So now we have calculated the integrating factor. So let us go for the solution. So we have the value of q and integrating factor here. Now the solution is given by dependent variable, that is y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q into integrating factor into dx. Now put the values. Y into x upon x minus 1 is equals to integration of q into q value is x into x minus 1 into integrating factor, that is x upon x minus 1. Okay, dx. And this x minus 1 and this x minus 1 will get cancelled. So you will get x square, x into x square. So you get integration of x square dx. The integration of x square is x cube by 3. So you get x cube by 3 plus integration constant c. Okay, but here in this case we cannot calculate the value of c because there is no condition given here. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay.